I am the spokesman for a little-known oppressed minority. We, the night people of America, demand our equal rights.
Leaders of business and government are ruthless tyrants who can't wait to get up at the crack of dawn.
These tyrants get up at the crack of dawn on their days off. Their ancestors, the Puritans, burned late sleeping people at the stake.
Not only that, but they perform these executions at dawn to compound the misery. There's no end to the sermonizing.
The early bird gets the worm, they say.
Go on, you early bird. Get up at the crack of dawn and gather up all the slimy, segmented invertebrates that you can find.
While you're eating your rotting worm flesh breakfast, I'm reaching for the snooze button. They don't hesitate to quote Ben Franklin, "Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise."
Louis XVI got up early, and they guillotined him. What's so wise about that?
2, 4, 6, 8. All we want is to sleep late. 2, 4, 6, 8. All we want is to sleep late.
Late night people have a childhood hero, Yogi Bear.
He sleeps till noon, but before it's dark, he steals every picnic basket in Jellystone Park.
It's time that we, the oppressed night people, let the early birds monopolize our lives. Hear our collective voice.
It's time that we rise up against the shackles of this unjust oppression.
But not before noon. Our movie, Don't Spill the Eggs, tonight.
Can't wait for the screening tonight to see Don't Spill the Eggs. Don't spill the eggs.
Don't spill the eggs onto the roof, whatever you do.
We can stroll down a boulevard of strange adventures.
Don't spill the eggs.
Don't spill the eggs. A rocking horse meets a mystical rooster, and the rest is a storybook tale.
A tale to read on a carousel of clowns. A storybook tale to be read to the person sitting next to you on the red line.
Wait, don't spill the eggs! Don't spill the eggs!
Her name was Nefertari. She was Ramses' royal queen. She danced like a cobra, if you know what I mean.
Hairy medieval dwarves and royal ladies step forth out of your closet in the middle of the night.
Don't spill the eggs!
A snail crosses paths with a rhinoceros.
The shams puts down his brush and picks up a pawn. He jumps your king. The queen is white. Rook has designs taking your knight.
An egg! Just what I always wanted. This is great.
Don't spill the eggs.
pours you champagne. She entices the waiter to scramble her brain.
Oh! Oh! Yuck!
Don't spill the eggs.
Don't spill the eggs.
She can't escape her rocking horse dreams, for leopards and lobsters step on the sky.
Ladies, skeletons, and trains move down the track where a pipe-smoking heron is turning to black.
Fourth nurse sits on the curb.
While the rhythm section is gathering nerve.
Don't spill the eggs.
Andre Breton posts a surrealist manifesto on a cafe door. What is snake? Oh! Oh!
Don't spill the eggs.
It is a lonely desert for a man or a mouse atop a red castle.
Breakfast escapes you in the dwindling light.
A loaf of bread in a Renaissance courtyard crosses paths and looks into the eye of Max Ernstberg's superior.
Don't spill the eggs.
Leonard Carrington's rocking horse is seen through the gaping hole in the ethereal angel's wing.
Ride from the staircase. The armory and the bull sparkles blue.
Don't spill the eggs.
Cat has a whisker, whiskey, and a fuzzy little wasp.
Don't spill the eggs. Don't spill the eggs.
Broken-hearted songbirds sip brandy on a spongy terrace.
Sitting on a sack of potatoes, twirling his mustache, Salvador Dali paints a portrait of his Catalan wife.
Don't spill.
Eggs!
A fish on the shore plays liquid piano.
For a chorus of attentive starfish.
I got him! I got the egg! Look at get the eggs, I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna keep them, they're mine! Give me them! Give me them!
Wait. Is that a lion? What's on the other side? Wait, this is great art. This is really art. This is beautiful.
What do you mean?
Oh, look at the Taurus.
You look so familiar. We've met, haven't we?
I'm not sure, but don't touch
On the
my egg.
cruise.
Don't touch my egg. What are you guys doing?
It's a special
Hey, wait a
place.
minute. Do it. I thought this was supposed to be fun.
Oh, this is better. Oh my God.
Don't touch my eggs.
We got the eggs. We got the eggs.
Don't touch my eggs. My eggs.
Oh my God.
These are the wonderful eggs.
Oh dear. My God. I know there are thieves around here. You gotta get out.
Don't spill the eggs.
38, 24, 36. Ollie?
Wait, don't spill the eggs! Don't spill the eggs!
Don't spill the eggs. Don't spill the eggs.
A woman in a silk gown jousts with St. George on the beach.
A secret agent dances underneath the peasant landscape.
I'm gonna smack this egg against a dripping spaghetti wall.
Shining and waxing a unicorn.
Takes more effort than laying an egg in the Caspian Sea.
Don't spill the eggs.
Don't spill the eggs! Don't spill the eggs!
Don't spill the eggs!
Don't spill the eggs!
Hello, this is Mick Cusimano. We just saw his short film in the film Video Poetry in the 6th Cyprus International Film Festival. Don't spill the eggs. Here is Lee Neville.
Don't spill the eggs.
Don't spill the eggs. And Joshua.
Yes.
All the elements from all the different countries you showed during the film.
I've been to Paris a few times.
And what are your plans for the future?
I'm working on a movie called Monkey Do, Monkey Don't about a guy in Boston who accidentally turns into a gorilla.
Fa la la la, fa la la la. So ben mi ciao bon tempo, so ben mi ciao bon tempo. La la la, fa la la la. Insomma basto mo, insomma basto mo. Fa la la la. So ben mi ciao bon tempo, so ben mi ciao bon tempo. Fa la la la, fa la la la. Insomma basto mo, insomma basto mo. Bon tempo, so ben mi ciao bon tempo. Fa la la la, fa la la la.
Leonardo sent out his resume.
Build me a war machine. So ben mi ciao bon tempo, fa la la la, fa la la la. So ben mi ciao bon tempo, so ben mi ciao bon tempo, fa la la. Build me a war machine. Build me a war machine. Insomma basto mo, insomma basto mo, fa la la la. Build me a war machine. So bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, fa la la la. Bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, fa la la la. Fa la la la. So bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, la 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 la, la 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 la. Insomma bastomo, insomma bastomo, la 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 la, la la la. So bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, la 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 la, la 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 la.
That's a fine-looking bird, brother. Carry me across the river, monk. Sir, are you carrying gold with you?
Of course.
What is the meaning of this? Our order is forbidden to carry money.
Bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, fa la la la, fa la la la. So bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, fa la la la, fa la la la. Insomma bastomo, insomma bastomo, fa la la la. So bend me chop on tempo, so bend me chop on tempo, la 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 la, la 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 la.
The South African government has reported that it will allow wild elephants to be culled for the first time in 13 years. In a statement given to reporters on Monday, the government said that a cull was necessary to control elephant overpopulation. The statement acknowledged that the issue would rouse strong emotions and that the news would anger many animal rights campaigners.
Save the elephants! Save the elephants!
Save the elephants!
In the statement, the Minister of Environmental Affairs and Tourism said killing the elephants would be a measure of last resort and would only be acceptable after all other measures, including enclosures, translocation, and elephant contraception, were exhausted.
Elephant contraception?
Elephant contraception?
I've got two questions. First, how the hell do you contracept an elephant?
How the hell do you contracept an elephant?
And secondly, who would want that job?
Your park is instructed to contracept 72 elephants in the next 30 days. If you fail to do this, we will have to shoot excess members of the herd. The future of the park is in your hands.
It's up to me to save the elephants. Ranger Jones, would you like to assist in animal conservation?
Well, that is what I went to school for.
Well, Mr. Jones, we need you to contracept the herd of elephants.
Well, I'll try.
Here's your equipment.
No way! I quit! I can't do this! I can't! It's impossible!
Ranger Delaney, we need you to help contracept a herd of elephants.
Get it, man.
What am I going to do?
Well,
where am I going to find somebody with experience in this kind of thing?
I've got an idea.
Hey, big boy. Want a good time tonight?
Want to get lucky, big boy?
I'd like to ask you for a favor.
Anything you want, darling.
I need you two ladies to help contracept a herd of 72 elephants.
What? What?
Are you crazy?
What do you think we are?
Do your part for animal conservation. Help save the wild elephants.
I'll give you some help, buddy.
Who will save the elephants? Who will save the elephants?
John Rizzo here, live again at the event, Boston Comedy Festival. We're here tonight with Mick. What's your
Mick
last
Cusimano.
Mick Cusimano and
Karen Ostromecki.
Sorry, and Mick, what did you do here tonight?
I showed the Save the Elephants movie that was on earlier tonight, and I'm working on a new movie about mermaids, and Karen's one of my mermaids. It's a work in progress, and we just shot it up in Plum Island and by Newburyport last weekend, one of those big waves coming by and stuff.
Awesome. What's the movie about now?
Mermaids get washed up on the beach. Well, we happen to be lucky because the cops are closing out the beach and they have big yellow ribbons and there are big waves and they're saying people stay away. So I'm doing a whole thing about how the beaches are shut down because mermaids have been discovered being washed on shore. So we find mermaids on shore, and there's 3 mermaids and Karen's one of them. And I don't know if I can give away the whole story, but we're working on it. Yeah.
Okay, tell me about your role in the film as a mermaid.
Oh, it was a lot of fun. Myself and 2 other mermaids washed up on shore in the midst of Hurricane Bill, and out comes a bunch of beachgoers looking for answers to life's problems, and we had some great answers for them, but the mystery we'll withhold until you come and see our movie.
For centuries, sailors have spotted mermaids in the sea. Last summer, for the first time, mermaids were found washed up on dry land. In ancient times, Zeus ruled from Mount Olympus. Poseidon ruled the land of Atlantis. When Zeus abducted Poseidon's daughter, he was outraged when her father took her back. Zeus threw thunderbolts down on Atlantis, sinking it into the sea. Poseidon made the sea his domain and turned his daughters into mermaids. For centuries, sailors have spotted mermaids in the sea. According to Herodotus, Greeks were encouraged by a mermaid at the Battle of Salamis in 480 BC.
Columbus spotted mermaids, as did the pirates.
A mermaid was reported from the USS Miami near Okinawa in 1944.
On the shores, wherever you've been.
Logan Smith, man on the street for Channel 13. Several towns on Cape Cod, several beaches are reporting mermaid sightings.
So you won't believe what I'm just about to tell you. Yesterday I went kayaking here in Osterville, and we can see her fins, and she is giving us sensuous smile with sensuous lips and green eyes, and she's all calling us and beckoning at us and just kind of wiggling in the distance and doing her thing, and by the time we caught up with her again, she disappeared in the water. I know it sounds crazy, but she was a real mermaid.
This is Logan Smith on the scene at Boston Harbor. We have reports of a mermaid sighting.
Just got back from whale watch in Boston Harbor, and we saw mermaids jumping out of the water.
Mermaids being washed ashore by global warming? You bet. Sightings after sightings are happening. And this is no Shutter Island. This is the real thing.
So I was on a harbor cruise last night, and we saw a mermaid. I thought I was seeing things. I thought I was crazy, but 50 other people saw it too.
I'm Richard Cusimano, Mayan archaeologist. Hey, look there. It's a Mayan depiction of a mermaid.
Ocean's way too wide and the day's too slow.
Good afternoon. This is Logan Smith at Newburyport Beach on the site of a beach closing secondary to a mermaid sighting. Apparently, Hurricane Bill has driven in some mermaids.
Yeah, I was looking at the waves. I saw something that looked like a whale or a porpoise or something.
Get a load of that.
Look at these
Wow.
mermaids on the beach.
Whoa.
I can't believe. Oh,
How did you get here?
I was going to wash on shore.
The mermaid. How did you get here?
Beautiful princess of the sea. Covered in shells, and look at her hair, and my gosh. The poet's dream come true.
I live in a sea palace, the underwater dimension. My sea palace is made of seashells, gems, stone, marble, and my servants are the underwater creatures. When I was 15, I rose to the surface like a light, as light as a bubble. And there, I sat on the rocks, watching the ships passing by looking for sunken treasure, and watched people rejoice on land like I've never seen dance before.
Wow! You are a real mermaid. I own a pool company. I would like you to be there. You'll have fun. I would like to have you in my pool.
Ocean's way too wide and the day's too slow.
Mermaids. 3 of them. Who wouldn't want to see 3 mermaids? Be like your own reality TV show. Huh? I mean, you could be a household name. Rich, famous,
So you think you could just float over here and entice anybody who comes along, eh? Luring passing sailors with your siren song. Well, I, for one, will stop my ears to your fantasy. We don't want your kind around here. Corrupting the morals and minds of God-fearing Americans. Look at those people standing out there on the dock just waiting to take the oath of loyalty to this land for which I stand. I hereby arrest you, wetbacks.
Oh no! Oh no! Stop it! Stop it!
Oh no! I'm being apprehended by my own citizens!
The mermaids are getting away. They're going back into the ocean.
Channel 13, Logan Smith reporting. I'm at Newburyport Beach where we have a sighting of a mermaid. Is that right, Mick?
I swear to God, I saw it out of here.
What were the mermaids doing?
They're rolling on the beach.
And how about you, Mick? What were the mermaids doing?
Green, one is green, two are blue, and they're gone to one in the picture.
Here you have it. Reports of 3 mermaids on Newburyport Beach, brought in by Hurricane Bill. Channel 13 reports. You decide.
One of the mermaids is washed back up on shore.
I'm going to take this mermaid home. But how will I get her back to Boston? I've got an idea. I'll bring her back in that ice cream truck. I just brought home a mermaid. I brought her home in an ice cream truck.
Oh my God. Hey, she's not moving. Is she alive? Oh, she's cold. In fact, she's frozen stiff. I mean, what are we gonna do with a mermaid popsicle?
Wait till my roommate finds out I'm bringing the mermaid home with me tonight.
What? What the hell were you thinking? Are you out of your mucking find?
It's a mermaid. How many chances I get to bring a mermaid home?
Oh.
We can keep her in a bathtub.
Bathtub? What bathtub? We have a stand-up shower, Mick.
Oh, that's right. Jeez. Oh, keep her in the pool behind the apartment.
We drained the pool last week, remember?
Oh, wow. Wait a minute, this got me something. Oh, Joe, our friend, he works at New England Aquarium. We can bring her down. We can keep her in the fish tank for a few days.
That sounds like a crazy idea to me.
This is the mermaid. Yeah, I brought her back from the shore. We're going to take her to the aquarium.
The mermaid looks for a place to stay.
I'm not going in that freezing water with those penguins. Crystal Palace in Atlantis. I'm looking for a place to stay. Can I come give you guys a visit tonight?
He's going to let me keep the mermaid in the fish tank overnight. We're all set now. You can stay in that fish tank tonight.
You're not putting me in the tank with that shark.
Let's go down the river and figure out what to do next.
Nothing wrong with getting wet down by the river.
Here at the Charles River in Massachusetts, where we have reports of a mermaid sighting, there are now thousands of people gathering on the banks of the river to see this supposed mermaid. Thanks to Twitter, thanks to the internet, we've now attracted 1,000 people here to Cambridge, Massachusetts for this mermaid sighting.
Look, there's a mermaid.
There's a mermaid.
I know people on the North Shore said they saw a mermaid. But I've been looking for one for hours. And I just don't see a mermaid.
Has anyone seen the mermaid? She was just here a minute ago.
She was kidnapped by a restaurant owner in a black suit.
There she is. She's being held captive at that restaurant.
Good evening, folks. Welcome to the Blue Mermaid restaurant. We hope you enjoy your dining experience this evening.
Oh my God, look at that mermaid.
Oh my God, how could she breathe out here on land? I can't believe it. They have a real mermaid here? How authentic can you get?
This is Logan Smith once again, Channel 13 News. We're here at the Blue Mermaid restaurant where, guess what? There's an actual mermaid.
Well, it certainly looks like a mermaid as a marine biologist.
Good evening, folks. Welcome to the first evening here at the Blue Mermaid. We have, for your dining pleasure, we have a lovely mermaid that's just come into our collection here.
No such thing. How is it the trick? That has to be, there's no such thing as a mermaid there. That has to be some kind of costume or, I mean, I just can't believe it. Perhaps somebody has tampered in God's domain.
I definitely think this is subject-worthy material. I'm gonna write a story about mermaids.
You know, after this, I feel like chicken tonight.
These people have fallen to doom at your feet. I brought you here to entertain them, not kill them.
Oh
no. What are you doing here?
That's our mermaid.
No,
Hey,
she's
it's
my
okay,
mermaid.
everybody.
She's my little mermaid. No.
You stay out of this. This is our mermaid.
You slime ball.
Hey, I'll call security on you. She's my mermaid.
Let's get her out of here. Come on.
Unchain this woman, this mermaid. Glad we found
Get her out
her,
of this
Mick.
place.
My God. Oh.
Thank goodness we got her out of here.
Oh. That was close. Huh.
Let's get out of this place.
Boy, it's
I
a
can't
good
believe that
thing
guy.
We found her.
Let's take her back home.
Yeah. Where it's nice and safe.
I want to go back to the ocean.
You want to what?
I'd like to go back to the ocean.
You want to go back to the ocean?
This is my domain. Do you like the ocean?
This is great, but just one problem. I don't know how much longer I can hold my breath. The sounds of Thelonious Monk drift through the sultry night air of Venice, Venezia, the city of intrigues and illusions.
The city that makes love to the sea.
The majestic palaces and Byzantine buildings wrap themselves around the winding lagoon.
The strained notes of Louis Armstrong dress up in the Doge's finery.
Elegant masqueraders throw a shimmering light on the canals during Carnival.
A cool Miles Davis riff becomes the sound of gondolas as they smoothly caress the Grand Canal.
Cool Coltrane whispers Byzantine little nothings into the murky waters beneath the Bridge of Sighs.
Veins of Charles Mingus are unsettling, causing ripples and waves in a green lagoon.
There's a storm brewing.
Suddenly, a blast from Charlie Parker awakens the lion of St. Mark.
The terrible lion with wings
breathes fire from on high.
The clouds are burning. The lagoon is steaming with hot jazz rhythms.
Venice. Venezia. The city of intrigues and illusions. The city that makes love to the sea. Here's the story of Alexander the Great.
Of Zeus Ammon. Welcome, Alexander of Macedonia. Look into the eye of the gods. Alexander, you are the son of Zeus Ammon. You are destined to conquer the world.
If I could afford a real research assistant, I wouldn't hire a rooster.
What do you want for chicken feet?
A map of Egypt? Can't you dig faster?
Why don't you help? This tablet says here lies the body of Alexander from Macedonia.
This is the biggest archaeological find since King Tut.
A
can sell this information for a bundle. How much you pay me for a news scoop?
It depends, Effendi.
The world press descends in Egypt to cover this momentous discovery.
I'm an archaeological goddess.
I found the stone tablet.
Let me see that tablet. It says, "Here lies Alexander the goatherd from Macedonia. He was noted for having a three-legged goat."
I am ruined.
Darn!
You offend me, Effendi.
You darn rooster!
What do you know? You finally picked up a shovel.